Welcome back, guys. Today we are back with another problem statement. Before I solve this problem, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. Today's given particular problem statement is a very easy problem statement on arrays. It is saying that we will be given an array, or you can say list, because in the question there is no guarantee that they will give you an array, because in GFG they have given it as list. So we can consider this is an array list of elements array with indices ranging from 0 to size minus 1. That means if I see this array, so I can put the elements indices as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means till this from 0 to 9 there are elements. Our task is to rearrange these elements of the array such that the array of I is equals to I. That means in 0th position, the value at 0th position will be there if 0 is present in this array. But what we can clearly see that 0 is not present in this array. So we just cannot put 0, right? So what we have to do, we have to put -1. It is saying whenever some element is not found, we have to put -1. Now let us check for the first position. 1. Is 1 present? Yes, 1 is present at third position. So we have to switch this 1 and put it over here in this first position. That's how we will be getting 1. And next is index 2. Is 2 is present somewhere else? Yes, 2 is present at 6th index. So from 6th index, what we are going to do, we are going to move it over here. So that's how we are getting 2. Now let us check for third. Is there any third value? Third value, yes, in 5th index. So what we will do, we will move from here. So we will get a third value. What about fourth value? Yes, fourth value is there at the 8th index. So we will move it and put it over here at the 8th index, and so that we can get the fourth value, right? After that, fifth value is there? No, there is no such fifth value. So whenever something is not found, we will put -1. Sixth value is there? Yes. So from second index, we are going to put the 6 over here. So what we can see that we are getting a 6. -1 is there? No. At 7, because there is no 7 values present over here. The value 7 is not present. So we are going to put -1. The value 8 is present over here? No. So we are going to put -1. Value 9 is present? Yes, at the 4th index. So we are going to shift it to the last value, and such that we will get 9. So when we sort and return the array, we will return it and sort it in the arrangements. So we are arranging it, the elements, in order of the indices. Okay. This is very famous question, and it's one of the basic questions you guys can solve. So what we will be using, the concept which we will be using the concept of two loops. Okay, one loop will check that for each index I, the element at the index I is not -1. So if it is not -1, then we have to continuously swap that element of I with the element at the correct index. So correct index is nothing but, say for example, array of 6, the correct index is the value which is correctly stored. So at third 3, say for example 3 is there. So what is the correct index of 3? As is this one. So from 5 to, we have to move it, swap it to 3. That's how we are doing the entire swap operation. After that, what we can see, we have another loop. What we will be doing is, whenever we are encountering that, okay, this value is not matching, so is there some value present? Whenever the value is not present, we are going to put -1. So for setting -1, there is a one loop, and for doing this, we have one loop. Okay, we'll be using time complexity of O of n and space complexity of O of 1. Okay, so let us now try and solve this particular problem statement. So if I just see my editor, this is my editor. Okay, so over here what I can see is I am taking the size, I'm taking a list because I'm going to return the entire list. I'm taking the list as the input, I'm taking this as my size, I'm iterating through the array. Whenever it is not -1 and the value matches, until it matches, I will keep swapping. So I can see I'm taking the correct index as array.getI. It's nothing but array of I. If it is an array of I, if it is a list, we will be using the get keyword. We will swap it. Temp equals to get array.get correct index. We are going to swap it with the correct index, and then we will set the correct index as the get elements, as the element which we are returning. And lastly, we are going to put it with the temporary value so that the swap is complete. Last, I told you we will be using another loop. This loop is used nothing but to set the elements as -1 which are not matching. Okay, so as you can see, -1 is -1, then 1 is present at some here position, so it is shifted over here. So I can just show you this is working or not. I will just execute the code and see. Yeah, it's working. So that was today's particular problem statement. And if you have seen this problem statement, make sure you comment on this so that we can solve more problems on this particular problem statement. And let me just go and submit our solution and check whether it works or not. So I'm going to quickly put this. I'm going to compile the solution and check whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. So let me just submit. So that was all about today's problem statement. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and people who really want to get their concepts on DSA strong. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing videos.